How to install Signal on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series from iPhone 12 to iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through how you can install the Signal app on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Signal on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store app. Then on the App Store page, just go ahead and click on the search button at the bottom right. Here, you want to come here and search for Signal. So search for the Signal app you want to install. Then once you see the Signal Messenger app, you can just go ahead and click on Get button or click on it like this. And then hit the Get button. Once you click on the Get button, hang on the instruction that says to download or install the Signal app, you need to tap the Install button from the pop. Then done. In some cases, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple account password before you can download it, or confirm your Face ID and Touch ID. And some devices will also ask you to press the side button twice, except if you've disabled App Store and App Store purchases under screen time on your iPhone. Now, once the application is downloaded successfully, then the app will start installing, and then you should see the application on your iPhone app screen. So you could either open the app on your App Store just like this, or go to the iPhone screen or iPhone app screen and then open the Signal app. You see that? Then you'll be prompted to take privacy with you. Be yourself in every message. Tap continue to proceed and then gonna allow. Now you can now go ahead and set up your Signal account. So that is basically how to install Signal on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.